The once struggling district of Tamenglong has completed 8 major development projects with 4 more currently underway, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh announced via X on October 28. Key completed infrastructure includes the essential 133 by 32 kV substation and a district court building, marking significant improvements to the power supply and judicial services. Healthcare received attention through a new 50-bed ward at the district hospital. Transportation infrastructure saw notable progress with the completion of the National Highway 137 Khongsang-Tamenglong section. 2 other major road projects, the Tamenglong-Mahur and Imphal-Kangchup-Tamenglong routes, are still under construction. Food security measures advanced through the completion of both an FCI godown and cold storage facility, addressing critical storage needs for the region's agricultural produce. Sports development gained momentum with the completion of a natural football ground, while a 7A-side synthetic football turf awaits inauguration. The ongoing construction includes a science block at Tamenglong College and a convention hall aimed at boosting educational and community facilities.